What's going on, everybody? Jordan here. I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some new things from Apex Beard Co. They sent out a new scent that's launching January 1st, so the day you're seeing this video, it's a couple weeks before that, December 7th. Yeah, Dylan reached out today because I got the notification that this was being delivered, because initially this was supposed to be a replacement for Autumn Woodsman, which I ordered, but then that one smashed in the during shipping thanks to USPS. So he was going to replace it, but then he realized like after Black Friday that he had run out of Autumn Woodsman, so he sent a new scent, potentially something else. So yeah, we're going to check that out. Check out this scent down below. It's available now as you're watching this. I don't know what it is yet because he didn't mention that before this video, so I'm going to find out right along with you guys. Yeah, let's hop into it. Alrighty, if you haven't already, check out my first unboxing featuring Apex Beard Co., which just dropped on December 9th, which is 2 days after I'm filming this video. It'll be out by the time you guys see this one, so check that out. It's linked below. I'll go into more details with the ingredients and the company info and that sort of thing in that video, but basically based in Central Illinois. The owner's name is Dylan. It's a small batch handmade beard company. Small batch handmade products. So and then the ingredients, we'll go over those real quick. So there's two different blends, the Alpha blend and the Premu blend. Alpha blend is meadow foam, castor, coconut, sweet almond, argan, jojoba, vitamin E, and then fragrance and essential oils for scent. And then the Premu blend is 60% emu oil and 40% alpha blend. And then yeah, let's check out these scents, the stuff that Dylan sent. Alright, here we go. Just got the season's greetings, wishing you healthy and happy holidays from Apex Beard Co. See it right there. We've got mail from Apex Beard Co. This is the Legend series. First month ships January 1st. And with Care Fragile. There we go. So put it on there. Yeah, let's hop into this. I've been testing Apex Beard Co. recently. I'm going to be doing a review in the new year, but really enjoying it so far. Really solid feeling beard on the oils. Might do a follow-up at some point with the butter, because I've heard that's pretty good as well. If you tried the butter, let me know, or anything from Apex Beard Co. Here we go. It's got the Northerner. This is oh cool, this is a candle. Yeah, Mandel Melts. The scent is awesome. Let's look at this. I don't know how this works. I've never seen these before. Okay, I have to ask Dylan how these get used. So good. Love this scent. And we got the dropper tops. We got two of them, so that means there's two oils in here. Feels safe. Love to see it. All right, cool. And this is the Bah Humburger. So this is a new scent that just came out recently for the winter. This one is dark wood, dried oak leaves, pomegranate, spiced wassail, and crackling fireplace. Oh, and this is the Premu blend. Sweet. That's awesome. So they included that. That's super dope. And then this is the new one. So this is the Winter Woodsman. This one is fresh snow, winter air, white pine, silver birch, blue spruce, juniper bush, and teakwood. And this is also in the emu blend. Oh, this sounds awesome. So yeah, one more time: fresh snow, winter air, white pine, silver birch, blue spruce, juniper bush, and teakwood. And this is also in the Premu blend, 1 ounce bottles. Yeah, let's crack into these. Give this a shake. Ooh. Oh, I like that. That's a perfect winter scent. So yeah, definitely get the blue spruce. White pine, I feel like I get that as well. So there's a freshness to it, which is likely from the winter air and fresh snow. Oh, I like that. That one's nice. Yeah, I rock with that one. Can't wait to rock that in beard. That's gonna be awesome. Yeah, so like I said, these do come with the dropper tops. That's awesome. And next we have the Bah Humburger, which one more time is dark wood, dried oak leaves, pomegranate, spiced wassail. Dylan, correct me in the comments if I'm pronouncing that wrong. And then crackling fireplace. This one sounds awesome too. So got a couple of perfect winter scents. By the time you're seeing this, I'll probably have lots of snow where I am. Haven't had too much recently, but hopefully that's coming soon, because it's definitely a good time for these kind of scents. Ooh. Definitely get the crackling fireplace, and the dark wood for that matter. Yeah, just a dark woody kind of, not like a woodsy kind of scent, but a woody kind of scent. Like a little bit of sweetness. Oh yeah, that's a banger. Oh, that's awesome. I'm stoked about that. I'm stoked with both of these. These both smell awesome so far. I'm excited to see the difference in the feel and beard between the standard blend and the premium blend. I've been enjoying the standard blend, the alpha blend I should say, is what it's called so far. Yeah, it's definitely enjoying Apex Beard Co. so far. And as you're watching this, I will be doing a live stream to talk about these, potentially with Dylan, or at least Dylan will be in the chat. But follow me on Instagram for more information on that as we announce it. Yeah, let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, yeah, so that's two more scents from Apex Beard Co. This new one is the Winter Woodsman, which will be out January 1st. Perfect scent for the winter, especially in the colder places. And this one, the Bah Humburger, is definitely a good one for the winter as well. Super dope labels, really cool bottles. I'm excited to test the premium blend alongside the alpha blend. Check out my original unboxing for Apex Beard Co. Link below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you've tried Apex Beard Co. Yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.